Bernina 790 Pro. Our video tutorial shows how to precisely position or morph embroidery designs with 4-point placement. The implemented quilt designs in BQM format are infinitely scalable. Select the pinpoint placement function in the Eye dialog. Then activate 4-point placement, follow the animation and place the hoop. With 4-point placement, the functions morph and fit are available. The morph function is primarily used to adjust quilt designs to fit a square, irregular shape. For conventional EXP embroidery files, only limited adjustment is possible without the risk of compromising the embroidery quality. If the function margin spacing is activated, a distance in inches will be automatically set between the boundary box and the embroidery design. The spacing can be cancelled by pressing Reset or Clear. Select any positioning point and position the needle above the corresponding marked position on the fabric using the multifunction knobs. The Bernina pinpoint laser can be used to determine the exact position at which the needle will pierce into the fabric. Then the additional points are selected and positioned. The result is a perfectly fine-tuned embroidery design in any square shape. The second function of 4-point placement is fit. Selecting this function will maintain the embroidery size. Select the first point and position the needle at the marked position on the fabric using the Bernina pinpoint laser. Follow the same procedure for the other 3 points. The embroidery design is inserted proportionally, centered within the boundary, and the size is retained. Another option is to define the clearance between the boundary frame and the embroidery design. Depending on the distance, the size of the design changes. All points are selected and positioned. Use the same procedure as in the previous example. The size of the design has been changed. clearance on the shortest side is 1/4 inch as specified. This enables lettering to be positioned precisely on ready-made tapes, strips, or stripes.
Bernina, made to create.